Hey guys, thank you for being here today with me. It's Jada again from the TheGGShop. I'm so happy to be here on YouTube. It took me really ages to have the bravery or the audacity, I don't know, to be here on YouTube. I was extra nervous. I really wanted to be public with my work, and I don't know, I didn't feel appropriate. I felt awkward. My pronunciation, my English is not perfect, but now I decided that it doesn't care. All I want to do is find a community as passionate as me, where I can talk about things I love, such as working on illustrations, painting, drawing, being here on the passive income job, on the freelance jobs in general, or what we call today the gig economy or passion economy. I don't know which one suits you best. And I just want to share things I love with people that love the things that I do, because they know what I'm talking about. So if you love illustration, passive income, and talking things like the things I'm talking, you're more than welcome. So in this video you are seeing the cowgirl Barbie from the movie Barbie that I haven't watched yet. So I'm not sure why Margot Robbie is wearing a cowgirl costume on the movie. I just saw I love pink. I love the girly things. I really like the girly things in general. So when I knew that a Barbie movie was about to be released, oh my god, guys, I was really I was shocked. I mean, oh my god, how the movie is going to be. It's going to be full of glitters, full of shininess. I was happy, yes. And so I decided to make this illustration, and this is the way I work. I made this on PROCREATE. I want to say that I work on PROCREATE. I work on my desk. I have an iMac together with a Wacom Cintiq tablet, graphic tablet, but I'm not 20 years old again. I mean, I'm not old either, but I mean, sometimes my back hurts because of the long hours, really long hours. Yes, I can work very fast on my computer now that I'm 40 years old. I was so much slower when I was younger. Now the whole process of, building the image is quite faster for me. So when I want to relax, when I want to, just be on my sofa watching movie or something I like, I bring my PROCREATE with me, I bring my iPad with me, and I have mastered the skill to draw and follow the movie at the same time. It's just a skill, you guys. It's called multitasking. But seriously, yes. So this is just for fun. However, yes, I mean, I create the whole illustration, and I decided that I didn't want to throw away, this artwork, because I'm not going to do anything with this. I mean, first of all, there's the copyright on it, but I thought if I create a Ko-fi page, I don't know, you guys, if you say Ko-fi or Ko-fi, it's pretty much like a Patreon, but a Patreon sounds too, it's a bit too much for me. And also, I never used Patreon, but a Ko-fi page where I can upload this artwork and the other versions I made, because I made this whole illustration in many other versions that you are going to see at the end of the video. So if you want to download the original file, the PSD file, or just the PNG dolls that I made, just from one single doll, which is this one, you are more than welcome. You will find my Ko-fi page in the link in the description, in the info box description, below this video. And if you want to donate $1, it's great, and you can somehow unlock this exclusive stuff, product that I have, if you want. But if you don't want, it's just up to you. I'm totally fine just being with you today on my YouTube channel, that I really don't care about anything else. But since I spent more than, I think it was 90 minutes, yes, I think I spent, yes, I'm sure I spent 2 hours on this artwork. So instead of throwing this away, maybe someone would feel like, hey, I'm gonna donate $1 and I'm gonna take the files. I'm not gonna do anything with this. So if you want, you are free to do whatever you want with this. Stickers, planners, insert, I don't know, you name it. This is the trouser details that I made with a Procreate Star Stamp brush. I realized I just have too many brushes on Procreate, so much so that sometimes my Procreate crashes by itself without an apparent reason. Therefore, I think I should remove something. Not only for the fact that I only use the same 3, I have like 3 favorite brushes that I use every day for everything. Now, of course, if you need a star brush, you are gonna need a star brush, but hey, you can do it yourself or Procreate, but whatever. You are going to see the finished result. I was thinking about also creating the Barbie with a sporty outfit, and the one with the white and pink dress, just because I love Barbie and pink in general. It's really something I adore. It was something I really grew up playing Barbie and drawing as an only child, and it was a family of all grown up grown-ups, so sometimes it went so that all situations were so boring that I created this imaginary world around me that was made of paper. I remember I used to cut out the Barbie from this Barbie magazine that we had in Italy. I'm sure it was everywhere, but we had the Barbie magazine. So this is the finished product, and you are going to see the different alternative versions that I made. It was like Tiffany color, purple, blue. These are all available on my Ko-fi. Just guys, tell me please the right pronunciation. Thank you so much for being here, and see you soon. Bye. Sì, meno male che sei arrivato adesso.